Today, we are going to learn our 2 times tables. We will learn multiplication and how it works, how we get the answers, then the steps we take to get that answer. Then, we'll learn how to count by 2. Also, how to use a multiplication table. The first section will show a simple explanation. Then, we'll do revision for the second half. So, are you ready to start? Let's go! First, we start with 1 times 2 equals 2. Let's explain in more detail. Here, we have 2 times 2. Times meaning 2 of. So, 2 and 2 is 4. 'Cause, as we indicate above, we have 2 dots and 2 dots. Counts up to 4. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. Now, we have 3 times 2. Times meaning 3 of. So, 2 and 2 and 2 is 6. So, 3 times 2 equals 6. You understand? Okay. So now we have 4 times 2. Times meaning 4 of. So, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 is 8. So, 4 times 2 equals 8. You got it! Great! Now we have 5 times 2. Times meaning 5 of. So, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 is 10. So, 5 times 2 equals 10. Now, we got 6 times 2. Times meaning 6 of. So, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 is 12. So, 6 times 2 equals 12. Very good. Next is 7 times 2. Times meaning 7 of. So, we add all the 2's together, and we have 14. So, 7 times 2 equals 14. You're going very good. Next is 8 times 2. Times meaning 8 of. So, we add all of the 2's together, and we have 16. So, 8 times 2 equals 16. Great! Next is 9 times 2. Times meaning 9 of. So, we add all of the 2's together, and we have 18. So, 9 times 2 equals 18. Next is 10 times 2. Times meaning 10 of. So, we add all the 2's together, and we have 20. So, 10 times 2 equals 20. Very good! You're learning fast! Next is 11 times 2. Times meaning 11 of. So, we add all the 2's together, and we have 22. So, 11 times 2 equals 22. Cool! And the last one is 12 times 2. Times meaning 12 of. So, we add all the 2's together, and we have 24. So, 12 times 2 equals 24. That was fun! Hi! How did we all go? We made this first section slow and tried to simplify things for you. I hope you got the idea. When it comes to times tables, we don't want to be adding up or counting. So knowing and remembering your times tables is the key. So, here is one way of looking to find answers to your times tables. If you can't remember, this is called a multiplication table. It's a good thing to have on your wall. Shh! Maybe you can do a screen print of our table. So, here we have a multiplication table. Along the top and left side, we have the reference numbers. So, if we say 2 times 2, we see 4, where the two lines intersect. Here we have 2 times 3, and we see 6. 7 times 7, we see the answer is 49. So, this table can be used as a visual reference when you can't remember your times table answer. You got it? Okay, so the next section we will do a revision of our 2 times tables. But first, we are going to count up by 2's. This will help us learn a useful counting method. So, are you ready? Let's go! So, counting by 2's are just all the answers to our tables marked in yellow. So, let's go slow and remember how to count up by 2. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Now, the revision of our 2 times tables. Let's start. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. 9 times 2 equals 18. 10 times 2 equals 20. 11 times 2 equals 22. And the last one is 12 times 2 equals 24. That was fun! Hi! That was great! You can watch this video a few times if you need help. But we suggest writing them down and go through this table for the next week before moving on to 3 times tables. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. We got a question for you. Do you know what 13 times 2 is? You can write it in the comments. Hope you had fun. Please think about subscribing or hit the like button. You can even post us on Facebook. Thank you, and goodbye for now. Bye.